Oh, and yeah, for all you wondering, I don't know if it's gonna make any of you upset or not, but you know, yeah, I'm gonna be driving with them up. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. This is the moment I've been waiting for the longest time. If you've been with my channel for a while, you know a long time ago I posted a video about me selling my truck, and I got a Jetta, and a lot of people say I wear this stuff all the time. Like, oh, you drive a Volkswagen, why are you wearing Cummins gear? I've had a goal and a dream for the longest time to own and purchase, you know, my own personal brand new truck. I've never owned a brand new truck ever. And that's just what I did. I say, trucks this expensive, dreams like this don't happen overnight. I thought they did. I personally thought they did. When I set that goal, I thought I would, you know, set the goal like 1 year ago. Last March, I started looking for trucks. I thought I want a truck. I'm gonna walk in a dealership. I'm gonna buy it that day. Nope, did not happen. Day in and day out. Seasons changed. You know, all that stuff passed, and I still had that goal, that, you know, that vision in my mind. And 1 year later, you know, keep chasing your dreams, following your goals, I purchased my truck. Before I show you guys this truck, make sure you subscribe to the channel, shoot this video a like, follow the full build of this truck, because not only is it, you know, special to me, this truck is one out of one in the country. It is the only truck like this. This truck here was shipped in from Indiana to Ohio. I saw this truck a while ago, and I finally had the opportunity to purchase it. And here we are, guys. The new vehicle on the channel. My personal, my own. Bought it myself, 100%. Before you say, oh, daddy's money. No, I'm gonna be honest. I asked him for, you know, back last March, I asked him, yo, can you, you know, co-sign and stuff for me? And, you know, it just never worked out. And I went up, and, you know, everything happens for a reason. And I, 1 year later, was able to purchase this truck 100% by myself. You know, set your goals, follow your dreams, and here it is, guys. My brand new 2017 Ram 2500 with the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. Here it is, guys. This truck is one of one in the country. It is the only SLT bighorn truck in the country for sale right now. Well, no longer for sale, in this color. This color is only painted when 20 of these trucks are ordered. Now, 20 of these trucks can be ordered for, you know, by dealerships, or, you know, customers can walk in and order these trucks, but they will only paint them when 20 are ordered. So not only 10 to 12 weeks out, you know, minimum, building this truck if you walked in the dealership and ordered it, but you could be 7, 9, 12 months out before 20 people order these low volume colors. And the best part about this truck, it is a Hills Green SLT bighorn. The only other trucks that are this color in the country right now, one is a dually, another one is a tradesman, and the other one is a gas truck. And I didn't want a gas truck. You know, I love Cummins, I love diesels. I own one before, and I own one again. This color is crazy. This is my favorite part about this truck that makes this truck one of one in the country. Not only is it a bighorn, which makes it one of one, but to take it up a whole nother notch, this truck is a 6-speed manual transmission. That's right. Now you might be looking at me like, what are you doing? You bought a wild color truck, and you bought a 6-speed manual wild color truck. Yeah, I'm on the internet, dude, when I was searching for these, you know, searching for a Ram to buy, I saw it was white, gray, black, occasional maroon, occasional blue. You drive down the highway and those are the only colors you see. You also see everyone on Instagram jacking up 8 inches on 12 or 14 wides and 37s. It's the same truck, same build, different color. This truck is a different color, different transmission. Will be a different lift and different outcome when I'm done with it. As you can see, yes, the truck is brand new. 399 miles. 399 miles on the odometer. This is crazy. The truck's brand new, and every time I drive it, I'm like, yeah, I own this. Me personally, I own this. This truck is 100% in my name, and I own this truck. And it's crazy that if you just have a goal, have a dream, do something each day to reach it, anything is possible. I'm 21 years old, and I purchased a $62,000 truck, and I'm so happy and I'm so excited, and the build is just beginning. This is crazy, and I can't wait for you guys to see this when I'm done, because you know, summer's coming, nice weather's coming, and this truck is gonna be banging when I'm done. I'm so excited, especially because it's so different. Let me show you here. 4x4, 6-speed manual, and of course it's got the legendary 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. Make sure we're neutral, and let me show you under the hood. And like I said, this isn't a wrap. This is an actual factory paint color from Mopar and Chrysler themselves. As you can see under the hood here, green, green. This isn't a wrap. This isn't a wrap. This is one of a kind truck, built by a dealership in Indiana, shipped here. I want to thank the guys at Coughlin Cars for helping me out in Ohio here, getting this truck here, and making my dreams come true. We got a huge build list coming. As you can see, I've got a lot of work to do to make this thing a show truck, and I can't wait. I can't wait to get there. The build's starting tomorrow. I'm gonna edit this video, throw it up tonight. I still have my Jetta. For all you guys that are wondering, I still have the Jetta. The build literally starts tomorrow. I got small mods to do, big mods to do, especially as the weather gets warmer and all that. This truck will transform completely and be one of the most BA trucks on the internet. Like I said, guys, I'm so excited for this build, and I hope you are too. We've got a lot to do to this truck. So like I said, if you want to follow this build and enjoy the transformation of this beast, I got my Instagram for the truck on the screen right now. Go ahead, click over there, follow that, get down there, click subscribe, follow the build, and you will see a transformation of this truck like no other. I'm so excited to bring this to the internet and to you guys, because it is truly one of a kind truck. I'll have a full build list coming out, along with beginning mods to this truck as soon as Monday or Tuesday this week. I'll be getting videos and they'll be pumping. That's what I know. I'm sorry I haven't been posting content as often as you guys, but behind the scenes, this is what's been happening. So I want to thank you guys for bearing with me. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get this build rolling. And I want to thank you guys for your support, because without you, this build would mean nothing, and it's gonna be wild. So thank you guys for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my social medias. So also follow this truck build. And peace. Oh, and yeah, for all you wondering, I don't know if it's gonna make any of you upset or not, but you know, yeah, I'm gonna be driving with them up.